we've got a caller from Alpha on the line. Can we go forward with Teresa, I think it is?
Yes, it is.
How are you doing tonight, Teresa?
Hi, Perry. How you doing?
I'm doing mighty fine, doing mighty fine. You got us a question here. Go ahead.
All right, I just want to know, all right, did you come the right-hand side? I'm going left-hand side. And I look on the right-hand side, I mean, my head just says, turn. And I turned. The dude hit the deer, and the deer hit on my side. I mean, bandaged my car. Hit my car, big time. So, and I'm looking at the deer on my driver's side. I was driving. And his eyeball was poking out.
Okay, go ahead.
I have full coverage.
You have full
I
coverage?
have full coverage.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, Perry.
That's okay.
My throat. And so I called my insurance and I tried to get my car fixed, and they said no.
Oh goodness.
To me.
All right. Well, let's kind of unpack this, Teresa. So, for the viewers that couldn't hear very well what happened, is you got two vehicles going down the highway, and another vehicle hits a deer and throws a deer into you, and your insurance company is saying, hey, even though you got full coverage, the insurance company is saying, hey, we're not going to pay for that damage. Lance, let's unpack that just a little bit here. Let's talk about what full coverage means and doesn't mean, and maybe where Teresa can look forward to try and get some recovery.
Sure. For starters, full coverage, the definition is going to vary depending on who you ask. And in most situations, normally what we hear when someone says they have full coverage would certainly give the kind of coverage that Teresa would need. Most of the time, that's going to be the basic coverages you're required to carry under Florida law for personal injury protection benefits and then property damage liability. And then in addition to that, most of the time if you got a vehicle that's financed, the bank is going to require you to also carry comprehensive coverage and collision coverage. And the comprehensive coverage is the one that should have really be triggered by this being an animal strike. And that's normally kind of cut and dried. If you hit a deer, the circumstances of
or
this,
if the deer hits you, yeah.
Whatever, however it plays out, the circumstances of this one are a little unusual in that there's another vehicle involved. But typically speaking, if you strike an animal, that's going to be covered under the comprehensive coverage of your policy. You could potentially look at the other driver and making some sort of claim there, but the likelihood of being able to show that that other driver had done something negligent that then caused this damage to your vehicle is pretty limited, I would think. So you're really just looking at making a first-party claim against your own policy for under the comprehensive coverage, and that's ordinarily very straightforward. So I'd be curious to see exactly what basis the insurance company is giving for their denial. It sounds like something you need to speak with an attorney about and let them help you sort through.
I'll tell you what we're going to do now. Lance has a mediation tomorrow, but he'll have a paralegal reach out to you tomorrow morning, Teresa, and we'll get some more details on that. Because if she does have comprehensive coverage, except for the deductible, and the deductible might be $250, $100, $500, whatever it may be, except for that, if she's got comprehensive coverage, which would be included in a full service package, then the insurance company should pay for that. So Teresa, hopefully that helps you out, and we'll get Mr. Lance to take care of you and talk with you further about that probably tomorrow afternoon.